Hi there! In this video I want to talk to you about debugging in UiPath Studio, but I will discuss some advanced features. Did you know that you can control the speed of your debugging session with UiPath? You can speed it up or slow down depending on your scenario and how you want to see the actions going through. That helps you to see step by step as they go. It is very interesting. The watch panel is a place where you can paste some variables that you want to watch them as the debugging session goes on. That helps you to monitor specific information that is important to that session of your debugging. The immediate panel. This is a very interesting feature that allows you to see specific values for functions or attributes that are not necessarily variables. The call stack panel. This feature allows you to see the steps that your session has gone through. Conditional breakpoints. Besides creating simple breakpoints where you can add the breakpoint and your session will stop there when it reaches that point, you can create a condition that will evaluate if that condition is satisfied and then decide whether or not the debugging session should stop at that point. Let me jump to my UiPath Studio and then I can show you each one of these features. Here in my UiPath Studio, I have this project. It's called Fake Name Generator. The purpose of this project is to read an Excel file, open up a browser, extract some fields, some data from the browser, and then close. I will first insert a breakpoint here and start debugging. Now that my debugging session has stopped in my first breakpoint, I can change the speed of my debugging session. Right now it's off, but if I click once, it will change to 1, and then each click will go on up to 4 times, and then if I click again, it will turn it off. On my left hand side, I have the watch and immediate. On my watch, I can include variables. Let's say, for example, I want to check this variable here, dt fake names. I want to see how many rows it has. An exception has been thrown because this variable is actually not set yet. I will step over. And now, in this step here, I have created my data table, and I can see that the number has changed to 15. That means I have 15 rows in my data table. In my immediate panel, I can include expressions. For example, I can see what time is now. Or I can take my data table and create an expression that will show me the first cell of this data table. And this is the content of that cell. On the bottom side of my debugging session, I can see the call stack. And since I am in the main workflow, this is the only one. I will step over in this one. And now I will step in. And now you can see that I am inside of get fields, but I have previously went through main workflow. That means the top level is the main workflow and the bottom level is the sequence, is where I am right now. I will minimize these two options here, so then I have more space. And now I have to create a conditional breakpoint. I will toggle a breakpoint here, and then I have to open my breakpoints panel, and I want to change this one. And here I can set up a condition. So since I have a do while here, I want to set up a condition to my count. This is the variable that I'm using to count how many loops I'm going to do. So when my I count is equal to 3, I want this breakpoint to enable. And you can see that the icon has changed. Now I'm going to hit continue, and my automation will keep working until my condition of this breakpoint is satisfied. Notice that the names are changing because the automation is working. Now my condition was satisfied. My I count is equal to 3 and my breakpoint has enabled. I will hit continue again. The automation will run 2 more times and then it will finish. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.